In November 2025, the American Council on the Teaching of Foreign Languages annual convention was held in the warm, lively city of New Orleans. This year's theme, Where Languages and Cultures Connect, aligns perfectly with eChinese's long-standing mission to ensure cultural connections are embedded throughout every learning experience. As an exhibitor, eChinese met language educators, professionals, researchers, and learners from across the globe. Our booth welcomed familiar partners, long-term users, and many visitors who experienced our digital platform for the first time. Attendees explored the eChinese online learning system hands-on, discovering how technology enhances Chinese language teaching in intuitive and interactive ways. This year, we embraced a tech-forward and future-focused presentation. Our digital-first booth allowed visitors to navigate lessons, tools, and teaching features through dynamic online interactions. Many participants praised the experience as intuitive, engaging, and impressively interactive. We look forward to continuing our work with educators worldwide to advance innovation in Chinese language education. See you at ACTFL 2026 next year.